Sa 22 houses no mo lesi ye say abrantia no de oman sika ene toto sa japade no say beya obey unpopular say beya MPP beya unpopular no bia hu say MPP nya party papa no ene attorney general case no eya ba wieye 22 houses no wo muntimi kan ho asem ba akokora MPM se si amena mo kase attorney general case no 22 houses no enka case no ho o ma bandan sa claim na wo me de ba to abonten se wafa o man ni sika editain ne yire man nam so ma oba no nya miscarriage no na Ghana for so kwabna Adu Boahene 1 month Ghana for so MPP amanyokuo mu 1 month say ye ya akromfo no enei ne da ho ne say ye kama president of the land is what to say enka attorney general case ho e court ye ka ye mfansie na matena sin na nwumrei ne Ghana web a report wo e na me de bremo na no me kan wo fie ha say ye be di asem ni be wie no say atentere ni e ye adwuma dia na abanwe ebedi kwabna Adu Boahene ka ye be di asem ni be wie no na abanwe ebedi kwabna Adu Boahene ka because there's no law e wo kroma say ebra no odi ni post na obi di ni post wa ni business ya na oye ansa na okom no onkogu no emra bia nkyere saa etu omunye ntwehwemu no hu nse saa da no omukọ hu ye no saa nya da na kwabra Adu Boahene ato na mom kwabra Adu Boahene ankasa eye into rare estate business oye into fertilizer manufacturing Ghana ha the second company a produce fertilizer ne dodoɔ mu na ebiko Africos ebiko Burkina Faso eye kwabna Adu Boahene dia enso ye charge no wo mu di tro se MPP fo ye ya akromfo ene o ma abandan sa case ni nyina adan no mo lesi ye 22 properties ni nyina no wo ma abandan omun kan ho asem biem because omun wura mu no omun hu se sa ne rare estate adan a ositon ne company siton no eno na remu acha kotwa ho pictures eno odem be ma attorney general so investigate obina mu na mu constitution under article 88 ne say mu na mu be initiate before we be initiate criminal proceedings bia no wa investigate hu se matter no strong ni nyina bia nkoso ena omode beto abonten deliberate attempt to make the new patriotic party unpopular in the eyes of the Ghanaian people na mom ye koyanim no na sa propaganda na omode beto udwa no nyina no wash it away sane denti aban na ono no pese ko ogu MPP anim ase no enne ye frɛ bibi back to sender asana komo so ama ye bisa Ghana fo dodo na ebisa se eye da mo ye press conference say obi afọ man ni sika e de ato 22 proper na mo court mo amfa sa ansem na ko ene remark ampese obeti sa question we ene me madam fo attorney general empese obeti sa question we ba ye be koso abisa da bia abisa remark say eniama na olesi ye a omo de ye press conference no adentina enka wo mu evidence ho e wo court omo mpese ombeti sa asem no omo mpese obi abeboso ba ye beboso ne ya mamansa hu say that press conference omo ye 2025 na unam kroma na MPP nya akono no ye be mamamfo hu say na ye ntro yede atuma wie ene social media yenya di tum wie a yegu anim ase wie a ya wie ne ye pese ye achieve no ye achieve ya kan wie but ye beko so abisa nienti amom pese mo beka sa asem ni biem nienti amom pese ebe ye part of mo evidence ye beko so de aba adimati ye beko so de hammer no adimati enei we a me back in can making can free the Ghana web a publish it the credit and everything Ebaba Ghana web through them and I can proceedings a year this week through Ghana web and I can court proceedings until fire sources near BBR every Ghana web now said the American or no say Adu Boahene case ni say atentene ebe ye adwuma said the article 19 of the 1992 constitution can fair trial say fair trial be ye adwuma na say accused person bia no ye afford no all the necessary avenue na say year obenya dia defending ho na ye nkonko ye kataso miamia so say ye kata bibi so ye bibia dia favor government no na ne constitution na aka se fair trial ye adwuma case ni beba wiye no na government of Ghana e de Adu Boahene ka eno a me kan ye no ye da sore ye na Ghana web publishing proceedings bi enti me fa firi ho enye ohia TV ne produce any proceedings bia na mom ye pick it from Ghana web website Ghana web for eho ene ye fa free ye na omo na ekire say eye Adu Boahene otie atifia sema enra ya eye 17th March 2026 Adu Boahene pre-finance national security operations. Prosecution witness. You catch a prosecution witness here. Eye attorney general na ono bo Adu Boahene kwa aduno na dance ni ono ne ye kind of prosecution witness. Enti attorney general no enipa odi adanse ye de aboa aban ma ne case na ye de no. Okwatena adaka mu no osi eduru bia national security hia sika Adu Boahene ane ye twena bo so no eduru bia national security hia sika Adu Boahene timi kɔ no ne company account mu otimi kɔ ono ana account mu ekope sika bre national security because sika normally no sika no free finance ministry ana BOG ebetima dire na bia national security here money for urgent operations here na ebediri a Adu Boahene timi pre-finance ekopesika efiri ni nyuma oye ne fertilizer company ne real estate company no de abeboa national security operations no kopem say aban de beba ebi wo ha aban atua ebi wo ha aban tua na we na aban Adansi difo aye prosecution witness a ono na se oboa ma aban kwadu a ode bo Adu Boahene agina na o ma ho so o ka nokra na o mo nka nokre enipa na betena adaka mu no o se nokra me se mo sei mentimi nitro na mom nokra bi ewom no meka ni Adu Boahene aye bia na ye nokra bia no medane nyina di eno na order na di say abundance difo no da na di say a Ghana web dia ba betudwa Adu Boahene pre-finance national security operations na questions ya ye toto na no wa adakam a Ghana web a publish ye na me de betudwa na obi atie bi na mahu ekwana ye fa so ditro egu opposition party so edinya nimonyam edinya goodwill no wia wakwa kwatena so ya wie bibia asi yentie kwase no eye aban adance dini no ye freno Edif Ruby Opokuya Adu Boahene. Onu na ejina mu oye head of finance National Signal Bureau. Na ono na abanya fa ne se o medi adanse emfa mom na o masem ne nyede. Na question ye bisa ne nie. Question number 1. In the proceedings of 10th December 2025, you indicated that due to late budgetary releases, your office sometimes does not have the requisite fund for its operations. Or say, yes, my lord. Question number 2. You acknowledge that some national security operations are time sensitive or driving. Adu Boahene, or say, yes, my lord. Question number 3. There have been occasions where staff embark on operational activity even before the funds for the assignment are released. Answer, yes, my lord. Question. In such instances, the funds for those operations are pre-financed until the budgetary releases are received. So, yes, my lord. Question, madam, there have been instances where you have had to look for funds to finance national security operations. Or say, yes, my lord. Madam, when operations are pre-funded, you always refund the money to the source. Answer, yes, my lord. Question. Madam, indeed, Gov't Adu Boahene has had to pre-finance some operations during his tenure. Answer, yes, my lord. Question. Madam, you remember that Gov't Adu Boahene expressed concern about whether he will be able to fully recover the fundings intervention provided to the office. I can't remember, my lord. Question. But you agree that you have not fully refunded all pre-finance amount towards national security operations to whoever gave you the monies. Answer, not that I know of, my lord. The judge intervened. Why don't you answer counsel questions? Your answer doesn't make sense. Question. Based on your own lack of knowledge relating to pre-financing national security, special operation, and refunding of same as an accountant, you agree that there is a necessity to enter into account. I don't know, my lord. Question. It is through a proper accounting process that the National Security Coordinator comes to know the amounts pre-funded for special operations and the refund. Correct or say, yes, my lord. Question. You know a gentleman by the name Frank Anani Depe? Answer, yes, my lord. Question. In fact, you record that Frank Anani Depe has delivered some of those pre-finance funds to you for operational purposes. Yes, my lord. Answer, yes, my lord. Question. Are you also familiar with the name Madridonko? Yes, my lord. Question. You also record that some of these operational funds were delivered to you by Madridonko? Yes, my lord. Question. You further remember that You have personally collected such pre-finance funds from your boss bank account in the past. Adu Boahene account. Or say, yes, my lord. Asemasi you. Asemati. Question. You are familiar with compensation, goods and services, capitalization expenditure, and special operating expenditure as they operate under the Ghana Financial Incorporated Management System. Yes, my lord. Can you explain to this court what these different types of expenditure are? Answer. Compensation is for staff salaries. Capital expenditure is for assets that go beyond a year. Goods and services are in two categories: normal goods and services and special operation, but all fall under goods and services. Question. So the three categories of expenditure are all audited by the Auditor General every financial year? Yes, my lord. Answer. So the general perception that national security funds are not audited at all is erroneous. Yes, my lord. Question. Is it true that it is the use of the special operation fund is not audited because spending is based on operational discretion? Yes, my lord. Question. You have also told this court that for the special operations account, the source of funds are both private and public. Yes, my lord. And that includes the coordinated special operations account called coordinators account, NSC, at the Fidelity Bank. Yes, my lord. Can you explain how suppliers are paid from the main account? Answer. Yes, my lord. Suppliers for items such as fuel are set up in the government system. Payment go through the public financial management system, including internal auditing, and are then approved from the main account. Question. You agree that once payment is made to a supplier, the money leaves the remit of public funds? Yes, my lord. Question. Madam, the National Security Coordinator is also set up as a supplier in Gov't? Yes, my lord. Question. The National Security Coordinator is set up in Gov't as a supplier of services of a secret nature for the purpose of receiving special operation funds? Yes, my lord. Asemasi. When you know your questions here. Question. The difference is that the coordinator as a supplier may receive the money as physical cash or in the special operation account. Yes, my lord. Question. The National Security Coordinator is set up in Gov't as a supplier of services of a secret nature for the purpose of receiving special operation. Yes, my lord. Question sini nyina yeden aba awiye we questions ya lawyer attachia etoto aban adansi dini ano manage atum se eduru babia wo mo kwabna Adu Boahene personal account ekoyi sika because emergency ba aban sika na yeden delay. Diasino, where Director of Finance, National Signal Bureau, and Ekasei, and you'll be a tincha yakofana bow, abundance dinia yakofano, National Signal Bureau, and Ekasase, a bansika delay. Ye Jessica free kwabna Adu Boahene. And now ye kasa no. Kwabena Adu Boahene ya bonu din say MPP na didn't buy no be ball no na omo ye press conference say MPP never away no. Government of Ghana edeneka close to 18 million Ghana cedis. Government of Ghana edeneka close to 18 million Ghana cedis. And this 4-year press conference say MPP appointees ni ya kromfo no mo de Kwabena Adu Boahene ya dance no. And now mo de sa kromfo ne ka 18 million Ghana cedis. Now tie nkrobo ya e betra o say babia asem ni kwa koduru. Ye be di akire ye gusu di akire so obi ntimi ni tro opposition. Akromfo wo mo ba ban mu no issues na mo ka ho asem no mo de kokoto mo fa dance yenko because ye pa kwanya bi to make MPP unpopular